So S1 T1 is equal to S2 T2. So your S1 into and time is 20 minute is equal to S2. He is 20% faster than first. It means that S2 is equal to 120 upon 100 into S1 into T2. You have to find T2. Very simple question. S1 means speed of S1 and T1 is equal to time. He took total 20 minutes to cover this distance, but S2 Shyam, he is 20% faster than Hari. So Shyam is 120 upon 100 S1. Okay, means S2 is equal to 120 upon 100 S1. Okay, so into T2, now you have to solve it. S1 cancel, then your T2, it will be T2 is equal to 16 of 2 by 3 minute. Very simple. This is one line problem. Now the next question. A person traveled 120 km by steamer. Okay, 120 km by steamer means 120 km, and 450 km by train, 450 km by train, and 60 km by horse, and 60 km by horse. Okay, this by steamer. Okay, this is kilometer and also this is kilometer. It took 13 hours 30 minutes total time. T1 plus T2 plus T3. Total time is equal to 13.30. Okay. If the rate of the train is 3 times than that of the horse, if horse speed is equal to h, then train speed is equal to, if the rate of train is 3 times that of the horse, 3 times that of the horse, and 1.5 times that of the steamer, and train speed is equal to 1.5 times that of the steamer. Steamer is equal to s. Speed is equal to, here speed is equal to s, and here speed is equal to h. Okay. So the steamer, find the rate of the train. Now he is asking rate of the train. For this question, so we have suppose the speed of horse is equal to h kilometer per hour. Okay, then speed of train is equal to 3h, already we have done, and steamer speed is equal to 1.5 into h, 1.5 into h. Okay, this. Now you have to add this time, means speed is equal to distance upon time. Speed is equal to distance upon time. Okay, so you have speed and distance and time. So your time is equal to distance upon speed. Time is equal to distance upon speed. So what is distance? Distance is 450 km. 450 km upon speed. Speed of this h plus 450 km upon speed of this 3h plus speed is equal to distance upon speed of this is equal to 1.5 upon h. Sorry, he took 120 km. Here 120, this is 120, that is 120 km upon h, and this is 450 km, and this is 60 km. Okay, so this is steamer, this is train, and this is horse, and total time it is 13.30. Now you can calculate, you can find h. Very simple. This is your task. So you have to solve this problem. This is very easy. Okay, so you can also calculate this one, 120 upon h plus 450 upon 3h plus 60 upon 1.5h is equal to 13 of 30 upon 60. You can write also, because that is in kilometer per hour. So now you can calculate h. Very simple. Okay, so we have to just give the logic how to solve, and your calculation, that is your task. Now this is the last question. This is a very interesting question. I will give you trick again. A man covers a certain distance on a scooter. Okay, certain distance he has done by scooter. Suppose this distance is d, he has done by scooter, and had he moved 3 km faster, he would have taken 40 minutes less. If he had moved 2 km per hour slower, he would have taken 40 minutes more. Find the distance in kilometer in original speed. Very simple. I will use high school method again. Suppose, I am just solving here. Suppose the distance is equal to d. We have taken d. Okay. And initial your distance is d, and the initial speed is equal to INITIL. Initial speed is equal to x kilometer per hour. So then we can write d upon x plus 3. Why? Had he moved 3 km per hour faster, that is the usual speed, but he has increased the speed x plus 3. Okay, so then it will be equal to distance upon, because speed is equal to distance upon time. So time is equal to distance upon speed. Okay, so what he has written here, had he moved 3 km per hour faster, he would have taken 40 minutes less. Okay, so then your distance upon speed, then your time, it will be equal to when d upon x, x is your usual, this is distance and usual speed, and if you will subtract, why you are subtracting? Because he is taking 40 minutes less. In this condition, he would have taken 40 minutes less. Okay, what is this? This is time. Distance upon speed is equal to time. So when he is increasing 3 km fast, when he is increasing in usual speed 3 km fast, then your time, d upon x is time. This is your usual time, but that is 40 minutes less. Okay, so that is means, but it is in kilometer per hour. So again we will write in hours. So 40 upon 60. So this is time. Distance upon speed, that is time. Okay, so when you have increased 3 km per hour, then your time, it is this. You are 40 minutes less. Okay, if he had moved 2 km slower, so now this is upon x minus 2. If you decrease your speed, in this condition he would have taken 40 minutes more. So your usual time is d upon x. Your usual time is d upon x, but this time you have taken 40 minutes more, means 40 upon 60. You have taken this extra time. So you have, this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. You have to solve, then you will get the result. Very, very simple. Now this is your task to complete it. Very simple. We can also do like that. Subtract, minus, plus, minus, and this is d upon x plus 3 minus d upon x minus 2 is equal to, both cancel, and this is both minus 40 upon 60 into 2, because this is also both same. Now you can calculate. You will get a relationship between d and x, then after then you can put here, then you will get the result d and x. Very simple. So what will you get? You will get at last your x is 12 km per hour and your d, means d is equal to, your d is 40 km. Very simple. So I think that you understand. If again you are facing any problem anywhere, then you must write in the comment box. We will try to just solve your all problems. Okay, and we are just giving you the overall method. Okay, so any questions cannot come outside from our course in any competition. If you will just listen our full video, then no need to just purchase any book or something. You have to understand the logic and the method. Okay, thank you so much.